A decade after opening, it can still take months of planning to score a seat at Chef Ori Menashe and pastry chef Genevieve Gergis' Industrial Arts District Dining Den, which should explain why it appears here. The couple has curated a meat-forward from-scratch multi-regional tour through Italy that honors time-tested recipes, techniques, and flavor profiles while simultaneously considering seasonality and modern palates and pushing themselves to add refinement to rusticity. Mix and match Neapolitan-style pizzas from the Acunto oven, tastebud-tantalizing pasta like fermented sweet potato ravioli or squid ink chitarra with poached lobster and Calabrian chili, and house-cured salumi. Tackle large plates like slow-roasted lamb neck or whole branzino as a team, but do not make the rookie mistake of offering to share a dessert. There's nothing like a quince crostata with Aperol glaze or pillowy zeppole to bring out your inner sugar bestia, aka beast.